Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help businesses cut their legal costs with our online template kits. Wage theft is the practice of paying workers less than they are entitled to under Australia's workplace relations system. Generally, wage theft will involve an employee being paid below minimum wage. However, it can include other behaviours like failing to pay penalty rates, overtime or superannuation, failing to pay for time spent in training, taking wage deductions for things such as cash shortages, or refusing to pay personal or annual leave. Wage theft occurs across many different industries, but is particularly common in hospitality. You might be familiar with some of the more high-profile cases. For example, former MasterChef George Columbaris was recently busted for underpaying almost $8 million in wages to his staff. And in 2018, the Fair Work Inspector also launched an investigation to the former restaurant sponsored by Hester, Blumenthal. In Victoria, it is now a criminal offence for an employer to underpay their workers or withhold other entitlements. This new law was introduced in 2020 to crack down on Australia's wage theft problem. Severe penalties are imposed upon offenders to hold them accountable for their dishonest actions. Those found guilty of the offence pay hefty fines and up to 10 years behind bars. If you are a victim of wage theft, it is important to be aware of your options. Our article provides a helpful overview of wage theft and where to get help if you suspect you are being underpaid. If you'd like to learn more, check out the link below.